Today we will be testing our leftover meatloaf temperatures fresh out of the microwave with my new infrared digital thermometer, purchased for my birthday from Amazon.com. We will start with the middle of the plate where we have a balmy 152. Go to the edge of the plate and we have a 164.
Is this in Fahrenheit or Celsius?
This would definitely be in Fahrenheit,
okay.
Otherwise we might be in flames. We have corn niblets at 111, and a dinner roll with butter, 112. Mashed potatoes with gravy, 123.
What is the temperature differential between the potato and the gravy?
Hot.
The difference between the gravy and
the gravy
potato.
is 113, the potatoes are 122. You do the math guy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Just wanting
this
to say
is hours of fun, and it's also a fun puppy toy because of the laser. So, food, puppy. Food, puppy.
If you men are thinking of toys for your betrothed.
Wife and dog.
Thank you.